Hi everyone, we're going to be making some wonton chips. Now I got this idea at work once we did it for a team activity. The first step is thawing the wonton skins, so that's what I did firstly. Then you can cut them in whatever shape you'd like. I decided to cut them diagonally, so the chips would be this size, and then later on I decided to cut them across diagonally once again, so that means that I had two different sizes of the chips. So here am I just slicing them across. The other ingredients that we use for this, I use some garlic infused coconut oil. I also use parsley flakes and falak cheese seasoning, as well as some Cajun seasoning. So those are to add a little taste, more taste, and of course some salt. So I mix the oil with the other ingredients, and then I put them on the chips. Now under my fingernail you see a piece of parsley there. So this is the mixture of the parsley, the coconut oil infused with garlic, and also the Cajun seasoning. So once that chip is dipped into the oil, then I'll place them on a baking sheet. I preheated the oven 375 degrees, and then I'm going to place them into the oven. They spend about 8 minutes there. These of course spend a longer time because I forgot them, because I was also making cookies. So we have these bigger ones, and we have these is the last ones that I made. Those which were brown or burnt, they taste good as well, and you can make this with a salsa, as I did when we were doing the team activity. I'll show you some pictures here. These are the ingredients to make the salsa and also to make the chips. And this is the finished result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.